If you're a Mini 2 owner, you might want to skip this video. I'm just saying it might be a little painful for you. And I'll explain. As a matter of fact, I'll show you why. Let's get this bird up in the air and track like you've never tracked before. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get this done. Got your settings right under the red record button, and you can do your video size. I'm in 2.7K at 23, 23.96, same basic. You got your exposure plus minus, same basic stuff. If you could do the fly app, you could do this. This is it now that the official thing is here and it's not beta anymore. Good. So once you click that little FPV thing, your menu comes up. Look at follow. Follow is important, and I like follow because it actually follows the controller. So wherever the controller is, that is what the drone is going to follow essentially. Just put your drone, set it out of harm's way for any, you see the light poles over there. I don't want to hit any one of these light poles or anything. So set it out of the way first and then hit start. Right? Don't show this warning again. It's warning you that if there are any obstacles, while it's going to its obstacles, it could collide with something. So yeah, so that's why you'll notice you can always go to the settings even while you're in the mode, even while it's in the tracking mode, because it's currently in the tracking mode. Now you'll see it's moving. The reason why it's moving is because it's going to position itself to where I have it on the compass. See, so if you're not happy with that settings, you can always do something like this and move it around, which is so beautiful. It's like you have tap control. Kind of reminds me of the Skydio. I know this is not a Skydio, but you know what I mean. So let's go somewhere around here. I like this setting. This is like side of the car, right? This is beautiful. So now I can scroll down and I can adjust the altitude and all of that. So I'm going to bring the altitude down to about, let's go to about 75. I feel like 75 is safe. Like I can't hit anything at 75. Always check your surroundings first and make sure that you can't hit anything, because if you wipe out, well, you're going to lose your Mini, right? And that's probably one of the reasons why DJI doesn't want to give you these features. They don't want you to wipe out. So just be diligent, look around, kind of plan your flight, see where you want to go, make sure that your drone is high above everything. I'm pretty sure I'm high above everything. Now, this is the distance you want your drone from you. You can bring the drone closer if you want to get a different kind of shot. And this is cool. Like you can do this. This is so awesome to kind of frame your shot out, right? But I don't like this like top down, and this is cool that you can adjust the gimbal. I don't like this top down. I want to keep the distance out a little bit. Why I want the distance out is because like there, that's good. That's good. Maybe too far. Let's go 75 feet because the car is nice and cool, but nah, I don't like 75 feet. Let's go like 120. I also want to catch the other cars moving in the background, right? I want to do that too, right? That's why I have my gimbal settings. So yeah, my compass is set, my gimbal is set, and you can adjust the gimbal while you fly. We're in the mode. We're set up over here. If you hit stop, it automatically exits you out of the mode, right? Plus, look at the top where it says P mode there. If any emergency, you just tap that P mode button, similar to the regular fly app, and it puts you in sports mode or cinematic mode, which will automatically cancel the follow mode just in case you're about to hit anything, right? So it's always good to keep an eye on where you're going. I'm just gonna hit this little X because I have my settings set. I've got my shot framed up nice and beautiful, seat belts buckled up, and hit we interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast to announce the winners of this giveaway. Now, the entire giveaway was done live on my Facebook page, The Drone X Factor. Head over there and you can see the entire giveaway done live. But the winners are... Okay, let's get this done. And the winner is... I'm closing my eyes. I'm opening the box. I'm shaking the box. I've got to grab one. And the winner of the DJI Mini 2 is... I don't even want to see. I just want to show it to you guys. Who won? Michael Stewart. This is your drone. Michael Stewart, this is your drone. You have 24 hours after this goes live on YouTube to contact me on Patreon, claim your prize, and let's get this out to you. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Michael Stewart, whoever you are, wherever you are, thanks for your support, thanks for your patronage, and you are the winner of this drone.
Why? Yes! Get in there! Woo! Winner! Thank you so much. I'm so over the moon. Thank you.
There's many other perks to being a Patreon, including many more giveaways to come. So just hang in there. With that being said, have a happy and prosperous rest of 2020. And I hope you have a healthy 2021 and you get everything that your heart desires. Thanks for your support, and I will catch you guys whenever I can. And hit the record button. Recording started. Now, this thing, I don't expect it to go, see, hands off the deck, more than 10 miles an hour. If you go above 10 miles an hour, you probably will lose the Mini, right? Because you can't go into sports mode. So I would say around 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 miles an hour max is where you should go. Otherwise, you might just end up losing it. But we're going right now about 14 miles an hour, and it's still tracking, it's still holding, it's running smooth. I would say 14 is a safe zone. I wouldn't go faster than 14 miles an hour. I could see it tracking me from the side there. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. You know, it's great. And to know that it's doing a fantastic job. Now, I will try to straighten up oh, look at that shot, guys. We're going around this loop. It's so beautiful. Man, look at the winter and everything like that. I could tilt up the gimbal a little higher too. Bang, look at that. I get more of the background in there, right? This is beautiful. All right, we're going to take a turn over here. Let's see if the drone kind of wraps around or it stays its course. Looks like it's staying its course. Beautiful. It's kind of following me still as we're taking the course. Oh, this is just a beautiful shot, guys. Let's see what it's going to do now. What is it going to do now? Oh, here it goes. It's off to the side. There we go. See, that's why you got to watch your height, guys. You got to know your height. You don't want to clip a tree or anything. You got to know your surroundings, right? But I checked all of that first. So I know I'm safe. I have nothing to worry about. Now, the beauty with this is you could just click on the little settings gear right there, and you can bring out the distance, or you can follow the distance. Let's go out a little bit more to 164 feet. A little bit. So let's stretch out the distance to kind of get more of the background in there, more of the background shot. This is phenomenal, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, wow. There we go. I like this. Let's look up on the gimbal. Beautiful. We can pull back. We could change the altitude. Let's go up a little higher, probably 170 feet. Yeah, that's even beautiful, right? Let's increase the distance to about 180 feet away from the car. Oh man, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful as the car turns. Beautiful. Now always pay attention to your battery life. Your battery life is at the top right there. It says 28%, so it's not doing too good. So I'll bring it down. I went through all the features that is coming in this app. Beta features, yeah, you have to be a beta tester. But guess what? This ain't the beta thing, but this is the real deal. Pretty much everything should be up and rock and rolling except waypoints. Waypoints is the only thing that's not in the official version. You'll still have to be in beta if you want waypoints, but they said the waypoints is coming. I think the app, the Litchi app, is like 20 or 30 bucks, somewhere around there. You won't regret it. It's definitely worth the purchase, and it gives so many features, not only this one feature that I'm showing you right now. I'll try the other features out. If you guys let me know in the comment section below, like, I'm not gonna know what to make unless you tell me. Hit thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I release more videos. Now I have a DJI Mavic Mini playlist. Check it out up here. Click on this card. That gives you everything that you need to know about this drone from A to Z. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you guys want me to make more Mini 2 videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.